Sai Jathan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Green. Today we are ready to talk about the display of the iQ7 smartphone. As you can see, friends, so just today I got my iQ7 smartphone, and these are initial impressions about the display. So this just an day one of using this smartphone, friends. So definitely I'll try to keep update about this smartphone in the future as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more details on this iQ7. And in case if you're interested, make sure to follow the playlist particularly, so which will be helpful for you every day to access all the videos for the iQ7. So you can find all the links will be available in the description below, friends. So right now the phone has got a really good display, which has got the 120 Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits of maximum peak brightness. As you can see, 6.62 inches screen size, AMOLED panel. So HDR10 Plus certified, friends, right now. So I'll try to play a demonstration video as well, and let me try to quickly show you the settings, what is actually available for you, the screen colors. So if you go to the screen colors, you can select the standard one, or go to the professional one, you can get the professional color, and next is the bright one. And it is the adjustment for the temperature readings however you want, as you can see, but I'll try to choose for the video demonstration purpose with the default settings, which I'll try to select, as you can see. So apart from that, you don't get any other advanced settings option. So these are the only three options which you are getting in this phone. So let me try to quickly open the video, and let me try to even show you the screen refresh rate. I did select the smart switch. The first thing about the display which I like is the brightness. The brightness is really high, friends. So right now I'm using only 50% of the capacity. So let me increase the brightness. As you can see, the brightness is really good in this phone. Overall, it feels really impressive for this kind of brightness which you are getting. And the viewing angles, as you can see, friends, it's fantastic. The viewing angles are really good in this phone. And the punch hole is slightly bigger than the other Mi11X smartphones and other devices. So the punch hole is a little bit bigger, but it's another thing to notice. So as you can see, the main highlight point for the phone is the brightness. The brightness is the main advantage. And the iQ7 comes with a display chip, so which will also help you to enhance the image as well. So there's another way how you can actually enhance the display colors in this phone. So I'll try to make another video on that particular topic, so make sure to stay tuned. So that video is coming very soon. But even if without using any kind of option out of the box, you can still get this kind of colors. Plenty of good colors, as you can see, friends. So which is really good. I did like the colors overall, friends, to be frank. And I'll try to do the comparison with other Mi11X and Realme smartphones. So mainly I'll try to focus by comparing with these phones. So display comparison and PUBG, a lot of those comparison videos are to come in the next today and the next upcoming days. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And kindly do support me, friends, by using the links which are available in the description when you're buying the smartphones. So use those links to buy the smartphone and cases as well for the smartphone. So this is a quick update on the display overall quality of this phone. So I did like the display in this phone. So mainly the highlight point is the brightness. Brightness is another thing. I'll try to make another video as well, how to enhance the colors by using another options which are available. So apart from this display options, so these are display colors when there is no light at all. You will be able to see the exact colors, how the phone is able to perform in the low lighting condition, as you can see, friends. So without any studio lighting effect, this is how it looks, the phone. And the viewing angles and the color shifting you can see. So in the sideways. And let me need to turn on the studio lighting effect, and we are back with the studio lights, as you can see, friends. So this is a quick complete darkness display test as well in this phone, and overall it feels kind of good, I would say. So definitely I'm really impressed, but we'll get to know the more details by comparing with other smartphones only. So only then we'll be able to judge the quality of this particular model when compared with other Samsung displays and Realme displays particularly. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe in case if you're interested in this kind of content. So definitely stay tuned for more videos, and thank you everyone, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.